biology. Hope you are able to see my screen. Okay. So radiation biology, we are dealing with the what will happen to the tissues. Okay, right? One thing which I want you all to understand that what we use for dental purposes is very less. What exists in the nature, radiation is very high. Okay. There are a lot of water molecules in our body. Indirect effect happens by radiolysis of water molecules. There are changes in the DNA. There are lot of changes that can happen in the DNA. Okay, clear? And all the cellular changes will happen so that some of the changes can pass from generation to generation. Some changes will happen in the somatic cells, so there could be change in the cellular structure. Okay, clear? So these are the things which I want you all to understand. Chromosomes aberrations. Whenever a cell is in a higher state of activity, increased state of mitotic activity, there will be more damage to the cells. Okay. And when the cells are in more differentiated form, that is when the cells are more matured enough, right? The chance of it being damaged is very less. Okay, so these are the things which I want you all to understand. So these terminologies will be questioned in your single best answer. Okay, with confusing terminologies. And radiation biology, you can expect a minimum of 3 single best answers. Okay, twisting in radiation biology. So understand and read. Okay, and this chart of comparison of stochastic and deterministic is a very, very important short essay question. I want you all to understand this not only for theoretical part also. When you relate it to practical component, remember that stochastic effect does not have a threshold dose. Okay, clear? That means even with very little dose, also these effects can happen. Okay, clear? Right? Deterministic effects means there is some dose, there is some limit dose. Okay, only above the dose limit, cell killing, okay, death of the cell can happen. Clear? Example of stochastic effect, all the heritable effects and the cancer. For deterministic, remember there is loss or death or destruction of the tissue, right? Those effects are deterministic effects. To understand these parts, read from White and Farrow. It gives very clearly with radiation physics and radiation biology. Okay, so these are the deterministic effects. Deterministic effects are very important long essay questions. Okay, clear? And differentiation of cells by radiosensitivity. These are the questions where your single best answers could be asked. So that's why I am targeting this with specific attention for you all. Okay, clear? Cell cycle. Why cell cycle is important? More in the synthesis phase and more in the growth phase, there could be more of damage. Okay, and this is a law. Okay, this is not given in White and Farrow. Okay, this is an extra knowledge. Law of Bergoni and Tribondio. You have to know that sensitivity is directly proportional to the mitotic rate and inversely proportional to degree of differentiation. Hope you understood what is this. I had already described just few slides before. Okay, so deterministic could be short-term and long-term effects. These are the modifying factors. Modifying factors are also very, very important short essay question. Okay, including linear energy of transfer, LET. These relative radiosensitivity of various organs, single best answer. Okay, clear? Rationale of radiotherapy, okay, is a very, very important part of a short essay question. Okay, effect of radiation therapy in the oral mucosa is a very important long essay question. One of the thing is mucositis. Okay, so you should know what is mucositis. What are the different grades, severity of mucositis from grade 1 to grade 4. Starting from mild erythema, grade 4 is the one where patient cannot even swallow liquid. Okay, that is grade 4. Okay, right? So you have teeth effect, stunting of the teeth, mixed dentation stage, all the permanent tooth buds could be destroyed. And another important effect is, what is this? What is this, students?
Radiation carries.
Wonderful. Radiation carries. Radiation carries, a very, very important short essay question. You should know what is it, what is the cause, what are the different types of radiation carries. Type 1, type 2, type 3. Okay. Osteoradionecrosis is a very important long essay question in medicine, radiology, as well as surgery. Okay, clear? Right? So you should know what is it, how it is, how can it be avoided. Okay, so 3H, you have hypocellularity, hypovascularity, and hypoxia. So you're doing a hyperbaric oxygen therapy. So these are osteoradionecrotic cases. Right, so oral complications and when does it occur? Okay, so these are my extra references, but to show, to pictorically show you how and when it happens, right? But in White and Farrow, they gave a good illustration of in the paragraph how it happens. Okay. So as I said, deterministic effect. You have to know what is a gray, how it happens, right? So remember, when we are giving radiation therapy, we are not giving higher doses. We are minimizing to 2 grays only. Okay, clear? Right? So we are giving in a phased way, 5 days a week for 52 sessions, right? 60 to 70, it depends upon how much it affects, right? So you have late somatic effect is carcinogenesis. Okay, clear? So always it is a probability damage. For some persons it can happen, for some it will not happen. And you have dosimetric badges for persons who are who have occupational risk for exposure. Okay, so this is a radiotherapy unit, and in radiotherapy this is called as intensity modulated radiotherapy. These are the terms which I just want you all to know. Don't worry, questions will not be asked. Okay, these are advanced topics, but anyhow, I want you all to just know the name. Okay, in radiotherapy, we are giving intensity modulated radiotherapy so that we are focusing the rays into the tumor and we are assigning the target area specifically. All these are computer based, okay, algorithms, wherein when you key in everything, the X-ray targets will exactly go and kill that particular area. Okay, so the intensity of the target is being modulated and you're getting a apt, very good treatment. Okay, clear? And when you're doing a radiotherapy in the head and neck region, the area, the patient's face should be completely fixed. Okay, so you can make a mask, all these things, and you have to fix. Why? Because why? Can you all say why you have to fix the entire area when the patient is going for radiotherapy sessions? Yes, students, can anyone say?
So they only target the area.
Very good. Okay, you should target particular area. Very good. Okay, and you have to ensure that the normal tissues are not being targeted by radiotherapy. Okay, because adjacent salivary glands and everything will be affected. Okay, so in the previous case discussion, I told brachytherapy pellets for erythroplakia, carcinoma in situ. After surgery for oral cancer, you can use brachytherapy. These are brachytherapy pellets. Okay. This was part of my quiz, but since we don't have time, I will continue. What is this? Case? Bone has been necrosed and exposed. So this is a case of osteoradionecrosis. Okay. And osteoradionecrosis with fracture of the mandible. Okay. What is law of Bergoni and Tribondio? Can anyone answer? Yes, Sarah.